everyone. I've just come out. I've got an appointment today. It's something special and I've been watching it on Fumi's channel and I am here today. I am so excited. I can't wait to start my appointment, and I'm going to show you where I'm going in a few minutes. So we're almost there. I am so excited. You know, I do not like vlogging in the streets because I feel so shy. So I'm just gonna vlog a little bit, so as you can see, well, you can't read it, but you can see where it is already. So I'm just going to go in and start my appointment. So see you all in a bit. Yeah. Now I am at the Healthy Hair Studio. I'm about to have my hair and scalp checked by a consultant. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, 2:30. You'll send that in the email as well, yeah? Okay.
Weeks after that is 29.
Is it a Thursday or a Friday, yeah?
Thursday.
Yeah,
So
okay.
you can do 2:30 again.
Okay, yeah. Yep, so it's all done. I am out of there and oh my goodness, I'm really excited. My hair is really itching. Well, not itching, but sensitivity from the treatment, and yeah, but I'm excited about how it's gonna turn out. And yeah, so I'm on my way to the station now. Yeah, and to get home, or not actually, might meet up with some friends. I ended up staying the night in London, so now let's go do some home reno. Hey guys, so today I'm going to start with the storage. It's one of the smallest rooms in the little house, well, in the 1-bedroom flat. So that's the whole storage, and I'm thinking let's start painting it, because this is where I've got my workshop as well to do some of the other stuff and a little bit of sewing. Yeah, so let's start painting it and do something about the floor, and then we go room by room. Yeah, so if you've got any ideas on how to do some of the things quicker, just let me know. Hey guys, so as you can see, all is cleared. I've removed the tables, everything, well, sort of. I need to move that basket. As you can see, I need to do a bit more sweeping. The ground is a bit sticky, the floor, because of the carpet that was removed, obviously, like I mentioned before, but I need to find out how we can remove those marks, probably on YouTube. Some of my findings worked, but it's too much work, so I need something quicker. Or obviously I might have to just put what do they call it, like tiles on top of the, you know, of all this chaos. Yeah, it will probably save time, just cost more money. Yeah, but we see how it goes. Yeah, so that's how it is. So I was just cleaning all this, removing all the cobwebs. There's a lot of cobwebs here, as you can see. I've removed some of it, but there's still some in there, and I'm telling you, I found some spiders and I'm scared of spiders, so this has got to be one of the worst rooms for me to tidy up, because I keep finding all these creepy crawlies and I don't like it, and it's just not nice. It's not nice at all. Yeah, so it's got to be done. Yeah, and that bit there just looks absolutely terrible. So I'm not so sure. I don't want to remove this first until I have finished painting. Yeah, and then I can figure out how we can start putting a new floor. Definitely will use tiles, because with Gloria we all have fur shedding every 5 seconds. We just cannot have carpet, maybe a rag. Even that's too much work, because you have to keep cleaning the rag. Yeah, so much cobwebs. It was worse before I started, so I just bear with me. Sometimes I'll forget to vlog because I just get into the mood and just go with the flow of the energy, and I just keep on going, and then I'll forget to vlog some bits. So now I'm going to look for some, I'm going to get some soap and a bucket, and then we've got to clean the pipes, make sure that they're ready for when we need to paint them. So we found one here. Yeah. I'm saving these boxes to upcycle them or recycle them for something. Yeah, so I'll show you another time. So I think I can use this. I hope I have another one somewhere.
Guys, I love watching home makeover channels. One of my favorites is George Clark's Amazing Spaces and Grand Designs. What's your favorite home makeover channel? The programs really inspire you on how to cleverly use the spaces in your home, at the same time make them beautiful.
I'm going to start looking for the brushes that I'm going to use. What I want to do is I want to start with the ceiling. So thank God I bought this a few years back, and I was thinking I might need it in the future, and I do now. And then I bought some of this, so I'm going to use this in this one. I hope it goes in. And this, I'm gonna put it here. So since we're going to start with the ceiling, get that out of the way. There you go. So this is a white emulsion paint, matte, and I'm going to use it on the ceiling. You can also use it on the wall, I think. Yeah, so sometimes I keep these weird things, and I always say, you never know, you might need it, you just keep it. And you know what, now I need it because I need to mix this paint because it's been sitting there not being used. And yeah, see, so I can be using it to stir my paints, my buckets of paint, because kind of started, no, I have started on the wall. I finished with the first layer for the ceiling, and then I painted the hard to reach corners, and then yeah, I've started on that wall, and I need to finish up with this where you got the hard to reach corners. Sorry, it's a bit, now come on, focus. There you go. Yeah, so I need to quickly get into those little tiny bits. So I'm going to use that brush as well as that brush, which is thinner, so it's like sort of inside, and then continue painting on the rest of the wall, which I've kind of started. So I've been teaching myself all this using YouTube, and just some of it is common sense, maybe watching someone else do it. So if you see me making a mistake, yeah, feel free to advise on like better ways to do something. Also, I'm trying to paint inside there as well, because I absolutely hate it looking like that, all these pipes. And since it's a rented house, I really can't do much to sort this out except make it look clean and tidy. So I'm thinking if I quickly paint the wall at the back, make it look nice and clean, and then paint the pipes as well, because I've done this in a previous house. Make them nice and tidy, and just make it look better. At the moment I'm not really loving that. I probably might even put something here like for storage, maybe to hide this bit, because I think these other sides we can get away with it, but here I think it's way too untidy. I'm sure we could put like a small cupboard if that wouldn't block anything. And yeah, just more storage, to be honest, because I also need it, because I'm going to use this storage for other things as well. And it's such a big storage, I could use it as an extra room to do more work. With all the work that I do, there's not enough space in just the bedroom and the living room.
This paint feels and looks light. I definitely feel like I will have to apply at least 3 coats to achieve a professional and beautiful look.
We've kind of finished the storage, so it's not really finished. We've put the first coat, so I'm going into the bathroom to put the first coat for the bathroom as well, each room, and then as it dries I come back and do the first room. So have a look. We're getting somewhere slowly. So that's the first coat. We might even have to do 2, 3, it depends. We'll see how it goes. So now we're going to the bathroom to clean up a bit and then put first coating. By now I can just feel the muscles on my shoulders and my arms just having a little dance. I'm telling you, it's no joke. As I'm painting, I can't stop imagining how the house is going to look like at the end. So I'm doing up the corners. They had to get to places, and then I'm going to go back with the roller. This was therapeutic until I've done 2 rooms and I feel so tired. Yeah, but I can't wait to see the results when the place looks so much cleaner, so it's definitely worth it. I didn't have time to put masking tape, don't judge me.
Lovelies, remember to subscribe for more updates on my home renovation, and like, comment and share. See you soon.